No problem. So, right from off the ship, you see right here, come down, past the first vendors. And we have arrangements for a tour. So we just come through here. We got 30 minutes to kill technically. The best liquor from Bonaire. Don't start drinking that shit right now. You're in trouble.
Originally from Cuba, but we live in Miami.
Okay, bienvenidos.
Gracias.
Bath salt, scrub salt, sea salt, all kind of salt. Ooh, as Dwayne would say, God almighty, it is hot out here. Ooh. Okay, it looks like we made it downtown. Yeah, it's bigger than. Okay, it looks like a downtown strip here. Downtown strip here look like. So.
It's brand new fire station. It's brand new. As you can see on your right side, these are villas, water villas. You guys can rent them. They are very expensive, but they are economic. This beach is called Donkey Beach.
Donkey Beach.
Back in the days, the donkeys used to come and sleep over here. But nowadays, the locals just use it to come and barbecue. As you can see, it's a coral beach. It's not a sandy beach. But it has a lot of shade, so we just use it to barbecue and spend time on Sunday with the family.
Yeah.
We are entering the neighborhood called Bonaire. This is a middle-class neighborhood. Prices for houses goes around $300,000 to $500,000. It's a neighborhood in the making. They are building a lot of houses, a lot of hotels. Well, not hotels. I don't know how you call it. Resorts. Because it's right next to the beach.
Yeah.
On your right side, you guys gonna see another beach. This is called Bachelor Beach. So if you're searching in a bachelor, you can check it out, see if you find the one. What I can say about Bachelor Beach, it is a family beach. You just gotta walk the stairs down and then come up the stairs. And yeah, you will have a sandy small beach, not big. As you can feel already, the roads are a bit bumpy. We are working on the roads. Every now and then the king does come and visit us, the king from Holland, because we just be a part of the kingdom of Holland.
King of Holland.
So that's the reason why the king does come and visit the island. And when he comes, they just try to fix the roads, and well, we hope that he comes more often so they can finish up all the roads on the island. I'm not sure that that's the true story, but I don't hear it all the time. These are Bonaire villas. These are the big villas on Bonaire. Very expensive on the coastline. You have a pool, or you have a how do you call it?
It's nice off the wall.
jump in the water.
I think the salt mine is coming.
So as you can see on your right side, you see a bunch of cars parked. So these are all tourists. They come to dive on the island. Bonaire is one of the best diving sites. And the best part of it, you can just rent a car and just park it and then go diving. At every spot, at every diving spot, you have a yellow stone which say the name of the diving spot, and on the island we have approximately around 80 plus diving spots. So if you come on a trip of 2 weeks, you're not gonna make it, so we don't have constantly people coming to the island so they can try to make the 80 diving spots. On your left side, you're starting to see the south pond. I will give you an explanation when we reach the
Oh,
south.
sure. It's pink. Pink water. The water pink.
There's one picture of my dad. My dad was and I'm pretty sure it was they went to get hurt.
They're on the sun of the head.
And like the Trinidad, there was a picture of him floating because he can't even float. He thinks. And I mean,
So everything you see on the island is are corals. All the stones are corals.
he was able to float. If Christian tried to float.
So when we stop, I would like to advise you, if you want to take something, please don't take the corals. You may get stopped when you're boarding back the ship. It's not allowed to take them with you. You can take salt if you want.
It's pink water.
If you want, you can take a whole bag of salt. So, that's it.
Was that on the left? That's salt or what? On the
Sorry?
left.
Yep, those are salt mines. They look like sand, but I can definitely tell you they're a salt. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you a quick info about the salt. Okay, here we just harvest the salt. When a pond or just give me a second. Okay, the ponds are about 8 to 12 inches thick of salt. So when in a pond is approximately 8 to 12 inches. And when the salt is dried up, they just harvest it and they just make those hills. So every 6 months, the ship does come from America, from the United States, and they just pick up the salt. The salt will be put on the conveyor belt, and it will pond on the other side of the island. We have some big pumps pumping the water from the sea. Put it in the salt pond, and it is dry up. It is dry up using only the sun and the.
What's our name?
I'm not gonna try to go in here. My back hurt already.
That's crazy.
Yeah, my back hurt already.
She snuck to crawl in to sleep.
Come on
That's
now.
how they did it. That's how they did us.
about the other part because I can't read it.
I can't see it with the sun glare.
Got it.
Yeah, but you can.
Look.
Cool. Got it. Yeah, he's not a tar. She said it's hot in there. He said, hell yeah.
Sauna.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to get one. Like a sauna. Jeez.
Yeah, this is ridiculous. This one, I guess, a little bit better. He's so low to the ground. This one a little bit better, y'all. If we had to pick, right? But this is a little bit better because they by the water, so the water might have rise.
Yeah.
No, it's gonna take.
Everybody would know how to talk. Not everybody can talk it, that's fluent, but they will